Hello dear students, today we are solving one numerical based on magnification and mirror formula from chapter 11 Reflection of Light, standard 9th, science 1. In this question, an object of height, here the height of object is given 7 centimeter, is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter. Here the distance is given 25 centimeter in front of a. Here the type of mirror is given, which is concave mirror. Now the focal length of the mirror is also given. It is 15 centimeter. So let us write down all these given points. Here the height, which is denoted by height of object, is denoted by h1, which is equal to 7 centimeter. It is taken positive. Now the distance of object denoted by u is equal to 25 centimeter. But here in this diagram we can see the object is kept at left hand side of this principal axis. So this is our negative x-axis, therefore this distance is negative 25 centimeter. Now the focal length of this mirror, this is concave mirror, therefore its focal length is taken negative, because in this concave mirror we will get this focal point at negative x-axis, therefore it is negative 25 centimeter. From all these given data, here I construct one ray diagram. This is our principal axis, concave mirror. This is the principal focus, which is at 15 centimeter, because its focal length is 15 centimeter, and this is the center of curvature. The relation between focal length and the radius is, the radius of this curvature is equal to twice of focal length. Therefore this center of curvature is at 30 centimeter from this pole. Now this object, the distance of the object is 25 centimeter. It means it has to be in between C and F. So this distance is equal to 25 centimeter, which is negative 25 centimeter. And the height of this object, here this object is denoted by AB. This height is 7 centimeter. In this question, there are 3 points are asked. The first point is, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so as to get a clear image? Means here we have to find out the distance of image. So this distance of image is denoted by h2, denoted by v. And the next next question is, what will be the size? Size means height. This height of image is denoted by h2. And the last point is nature of the image. It means is it real or imaginary? In this question, focal length and distance of object is given. So we can find out distance of image by using mirror formula. So according to this mirror formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v, that is the distance of image, plus 1 upon u, that is the distance of object. So this is the substitution. Here we take both these values negative. Now take this second term to left hand side, so it will become minus, and these minus and minus, these two minus and minus becomes plus. Now the LCM of 15 and 25 is 75. So here we can convert it by multiplying 3, by multiplying 5, and here by multiplying 3. So when we multiply at denominator, we has to multiply at numerator also. So this is the next step. Now this 75 is a common term. So minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. But this is the value of 1 upon v. We required here value of v. So by using invertendo, 75 divided by 2, we will get value of v is equal to minus 37.5. So v is the distance of image from its pole, which is equal to 35 centimeter. This negative symbol indicates that the image is at on negative x-axis. Now we know the value of h1, u and v. So by using magnification formula, we can find out height of image. So this is the magnification formula. M is equal to h2 upon h1, that is the height of image upon height of object, is equal to minus distance of image divided by distance of object. So this is the substitution. This minus and minus symbol will get cancelled. Take this 7 to another hand side, it will become multiple. So if you solve this term, you will get 1.5. Its answer. So its multiplication is 10.5. So this negative, the height of this image is equal to 10.5 centimeter, and this negative sign again indicate that this image will form in invert form and it is real. So from this given or solved data, we can sketch the position of image. The distance of this image is minus 37.5. So this distance, 30 centimeters. So it has to be here somewhere. And the height of the object, height of the image is 10.5 and negative. So this is the position of image.